Hello everyone. So guys, I have come at least 5-6 kilometers far from my house in order to buy some seeds because I want to grow some vegetables, some seasonal vegetables as it is winter season. So I have come to a place, this is called Krisi Sansar. I'm going to show you. So from here I will buy some seeds, then I will go back to my village, and after that those seeds will be sown there. So I'll show you the entire process, guys. Let's get started, everyone. हाँ, ये पालक के लिए ये 5 रुपए का थोड़ा लगा हुआ। ओके, सो 5 रुपीज़ पालक सीड एवरीवन, एज यू कैन सी। मूली, मूली का बीज। So guys, radish seeds. First time I am going to see. I haven't seen ever. सही में मूली का मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा है कि मूली का बीज।
हाँ, तो बीज पता है तब ना मूली बढ़ता है।
So guys, I have purchased some seeds packets. Now I am going back to my village, and after that the sowing seeds process will be started. I'll let you know, guys. Stay connected. So guys, after buying those seeds, I have come to my farm in order to sow those seeds. So before I go for sowing the seeds, what I have to do is I have to remove all the plants, the cauliflower plants and some other plants which are not in use, and I have to plow that entire field with the help of this spade. So let's get started, everyone. Let me do that. After that I will start sowing those seeds. Stay connected, everyone. Jai ho! Akshat, are you enjoying? Jai ho! So guys, as you can see, I am just rooting out these lady's finger plants with the help of the spade so that I can sow some seeds here. Oye, oye. These plants are of no use. It's the end of the season. That's why I'm just rooting out all of them. After that I have to pick all of them, and then it will be plowed in a proper way with the help of this spade, and then the seeds will be sown, guys. Jai ho! Jai ho! Guys, now as you can see here that all the plants have been rooted out, and now I have to plow it. So my dad is going to give me some instructions. Let's see what he says. Yes, Dad.
ये है कुदाल, इससे इसको तामना है।
अच्छा,
एक देहाती कहावत है 100 चास का एक पास।
100 चास का एक पास,
100 चास बैल से जुतवाओगे खेत को, और कुदाल से एक पास।
अच्छा,
हाँ, दोनों बराबर है।
वाह।
इसको इसी तरह से तामना है।
ओके,
हाँ, यहाँ तक ले लेना है इसको।
ओके,
है ना, इसको ऐसे बढ़ाते ही जाना है।
ओके,
ऐसे ऐसे तामना है, यहाँ सीधा लाइन।
ओके, तो 100 चास का एक पास।
एक पास।
Okay, nice one. Okay, Dad. Now, rest of the thing will be done by me. So, guys, as you saw, my dad has taught me, and really, it is the first experience. Some people must be thinking that though I belong to village, I have no idea how to do this kind of thing because I had never been in the village, guys. Since I was in class 3rd, I was in city. That's why I don't know about these things, but I'm learning. 100 चार्ज का एक पास। जय हो अक्षत सिंह।
हाँ ऐसा ही।
ओके, so this is handmade blowing. Oye, oye. So guys, I am absolutely exhausted, and suddenly I saw one guy, the chart seller, and I thought that I must stop him and take some chart. So I'm taking some chart so that I can eat something and get energetic again. Okay, एक समोसा वाला अक्षत के लिए. So after eating this, I will resume my work, guys. Stay connected. Thank you, guys. Let me see the taste of the chaat first. In this chaat, guys, there is one samosa and some chole. I think chole. क्या है ये? मटर है क्या है?
चाट है.
This is called samosa chaat.
Nice one.
Chaat samosa.
See you after this chaat break, guys. Thank you. So guys, it is almost done. Now I have to. अब इसके बाद क्या करना है पापा जी? ओहो, चिली का भी कट गया.
छोड़ दो आप तो.
मतलब थोड़ा ये मिट्टी लेवल करना होगा.
हाँ, कर देते हैं. तुमसे ना होगा.
Okay, fine. So I am handing over to my dad. Now he is going to do what the next step is. Okay. Okay, it should be labeled. Okay. So guys, can you see this?
माटी चलेगा.
Okay. So see guys, first time I am experiencing this.
पानी देना होगा तो कैसे दिया?
Okay, okay, okay. So we are making a standing line. You can see it's a standing line or sleeping line. Whatever the line is.
From your side, it's a standing,
it's a standing line.
If you
And
turn
from this side, it's a sleeping line.
yeah.
Yeah.
रोकूं.
अब मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, बस बताइए मुझे.
ऐसे करना है, एक बार बता देते हैं.
हाँ.
है ना?
ओके.
तैयार बढ़िया नन्ना है.
अच्छा.
ये एक ये हाँ.
हाँ.
एक ये हाँ. ये इतना दूरी.
ओके. ओके. कैमरा पर्सन कम है.
ऐसे.
ओके.
एक ही बिट्टा पर.
Okay. So guys, I have bean seeds. These seeds are of bean. So beans seeds. Now, first I have to loosen the soil. Then level it. Totally compact it. And then make a hole. Okay. Make a hole and one more hole. Just a minute. Here. Okay. One. So one seed and another seed. Now like this. Now okay. Super.
फिर आगे.
Again here. First loosen it. Okay. Now one seed and one seed. Fine.
एक और जाएगा.
एक और यहाँ. So guys, after beans, now you can see spinach seeds are being scattered. पालक के जो बीज है उसे इस तरीके से स्कैटर किया जाता है गाइस. तो ये तरीका है पालक के लिए. वाह, मैं भी थोड़ा स्कैटर करूँ. Okay. So, hey, look, see the palak seeds. These are the seeds of spinach. अब इसको ऐसे स्कैटर करना है. Okay. बस यही एरिया है ना बस?
हाँ इतने हैं.
इसी में सारा डाल दूँ?
हाँ डाल दो, घने रहेगा तो क्या होगा. आगे तो
Okay, done. Spinach seeds are also done.